Hello and welcome to Traveling with Luigi. In this episode we are going to explore the beautiful island of Zakinthos, their main tourist attractions. My wife and I were traveling in Greece and decided to go to Kefalonia Island. And being there, staying at the Agios city, we took a car, a rental, and drove all the way to the port of Poros. From there we took a boat along with another 40 or so people towards the island of Zakinthos. Now in this one-day trip we are going to visit the main attractions there in Zakinthos. Now as we start heading south, you can see the island in the horizon. That is Zakinthos right there. Now the captain of our boat is now sailing to the north part of the island and then slightly to the west. And then soon enough we're going to hit the first tourist attraction, the so-called Navagio beach. What's so special about Navagio? It gives me goosebumps to remember that I was there. It looks like it's been carved in the mountain. And it's not very big, as you can see. The water is a special blue, a light blue. I haven't seen a beach like that before. There is also a shipwreck there, very suitable for you to take pictures. Now, really and truly, we only spend 45 minutes here because most of the boats and the tours will come for about 45 minutes to an hour, and they drop you off and then they pick you up, and it's only about 1 hour or so. So we decided to jump into the water. That was my wife there enjoying the beautiful water, and then I decided to jump in, but obviously because of the presence of all these boats coming in and out, actually the water is agitated and it's not very clear, as you can see. So, but nevertheless, it was a place to be seen, a place that we really enjoyed and we look forward to going back in the future. Now, Navagio Beach evaluation by Luigi. We definitely have the nature views, sandy and walkable. If you wear your shoes for the beach, that will be more comfortable, those wet shoes. Now, safety-wise, you have to be careful because the embarking and disembarking from your boat is just with the board and you may fall, so you have to be careful with that, or if you jump into the ocean. So that's the safety concern also, that you might be swimming close to boats arriving and leaving, so you have to watch out for that. The water is not very clear. Swimmability, of course, is nice to enjoy such place, and not very suitable for snorkeling. As you saw, the water was not very clear, and there are no services at this beach, bar or anything like that. Now we start heading back north towards the Blue Caves, and soon enough we arrive in this amazing place that has some caves carved in the mountain. Now it seems that the ocean has been, or the waves of the sea actually, carved these caves into the mountain, and it's definitely a sight to see. We wish we would have been able to swim there, but it was just a stop and look type of visit. And you can see the inclination of the layers. That is probably a testimony of high tectonic activity many years or thousands of years ago, probably the one that was responsible for forming this island, along with those all other islands in Greece, of course. Well, soon enough we find ourselves almost at lunchtime, so the captain is taken to the destination where we're going to grab something to eat, and that is going to be on the east side of the island, pardon me. We go towards the east side of the island and south, and soon enough we're going to find ourselves into Taverna Porto is the name of the restaurant where we had lunch. You cannot go wrong in any of these restaurants. It's obviously the food is from the sea, is fresh, is right there, is probably caught in the day. So we had a good time. And then after that we enjoyed this beach that you're looking at here, is San Nikolaos beach. We went for a swim right after lunch. Now it's time for us to go back home, so we start heading back to Poros, the port. But on the way there was a pleasant surprise that the captain stopped at another beach. It's called Kako Lagadi beach. So in this place the boat is not able to dock, so we have to jump off and swim towards the shoreline, towards the beach or the shoreline. So there were a lot of boulders there, as you can see, very unique. But the special treat in this place is that there was a cave. So we ended up swimming in a cave in the end. This is my wife there enjoying the view and that cave that was carved in the mountain. Definitely a place for snorkeling. You can see lots of fish, very crystal clear, and the boulders in the bottom of the sea, as well as some of these rocks that you are looking at here, again are evidence of some volcanic activity thousands of years ago. So we are happily swimming here with the fish, and that is about to do it for our visit to this small but beautiful beach, Kako Lagadi beach. So we definitely have the views. We were able to snorkel there. If you were to walk on the beach, you're probably better off wearing your shoes because all these pebbles might be a little uncomfortable on your feet. Safety-wise, just because you had to jump off the boat, you better be a good swimmer. And the water is super clear. As long as you know how to swim, you're going to enjoy this place. And again, at this location, there is no beach bar or any service, not restrooms. After this, we went back to Poros and continue on our trip. So this just about wraps it up for this episode. I thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. And happy travels!